Whether you're renovating or maintaining your home, it's very important that you hire the right contractor for the job. There's a few things you need to look for. First and foremost, make sure they're licensed. You want a licensed contractor coming to work in your home. This is your biggest investment. Make sure you have the right person coming in to take care of your investment. 2, don't do cash jobs. Cash is not traceable. The second you give them the cash, they can turn around and walk away and say, hey, I was never there. It is very important that you have a proper contract set in place. Make sure that you have your payment schedule set in place and a contract stating what they are there for and the job that is done, because in the end, it will protect you, the homeowner. Third, make sure they're insured. Whether somebody gets hurt on the job site or something happens to your home, you want to make sure you're covered for it when that happens. Check your references. When you're hiring a contractor, it's important to ask them if they have a portfolio or anyone that you can call to check how their work is. You want to make sure that the clients they've worked with and the jobs that they've done are quality and that they don't have anyone complaining about their work.